Let's call the case. Zhenfeng Zhang versus Kelly Ruddick.
Ready, Your Honor. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Eric Naslund, 42648, appearing on behalf of the plaintiffs.
Hi, Your Honor. My name is Kelly Ruddock.
All right. And where are we on this case?
Well, I spoke to the defendant and my clients, and I believe we have a consent judgment. I was just writing it up. If she's willing to sign it, we're changing the writ date to February 15th of 26, which gives her a little bit of extra time to remain in the property. She does agree that she owes the back rent.
Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
You agree you owe it?
Yes.
All right. And the 15th, I mean, are you looking for additional time to find someplace or you're gonna try to get this paid?
And then find someplace, Your Honor.
Okay, that's really what the intent here is. All right, let me ask you this then. Is that gonna be enough time for you? Because I think you, if I'm calling correctly, and maybe my memory is failing, you had a little one. You have it 8 years old?
You're right. That's correct.
See, I told you I could.
Judge, you ought to get on Jeopardy with that memory.
Yeah, no, Jeopardy is the
That's pretty good at our age.
Yes, indeed. All right, and so let me ask you this. And I'm not trying to upset the deal that the folks have come to. Are you gonna relax? All right, it's okay. Is that gonna be enough time for you? Or
I hope so. I don't know. As much time as I could get is great, but I appreciate them extending it to that point because I know that's not something they have to do or you have to do.
okay, let me ask this.
Okay.
Your little one is in school?
Yes. Your Honor.
Second?
Third grade.
Third grade. It's been a while for me with little ones. His life's gonna be upset anyway, right?
Mhm.
Do you have funds at all to try to do anything?
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so what I was just wondering, I don't know if there's if she could pay a little bit of something and try to get to, I guess they have midwinter breaks or whatever. I just don't want the child's schooling interrupted if we can help it. But I don't know, again, I'm not trying to upset the arrangement, I just. Do you know when that is?
The break.
Yeah,
The calendar. It's in February.
yeah,
I
that's
think
what I
it's the
thought.
weekend of the 5th. Oh, I believe it's the 16th, like the 16th through the 20th.
16th through the 20th is the
I
break.
believe so.
Okay, so maybe we hit this about right then. Okay. Because there's gonna be a lot of adjustment there, right?
Yeah, you're right.
The 15th is a Sunday.
Yeah, and so nothing would happen. 15th is a Sunday, there's a holiday, so you can't do anything, and so the 17th is the earliest that they could act, so.
That we could get a writ, yeah.
Yeah, so, and then that's gonna take a little bit of time, but at least if you're going that week,
I can put the 17th on it because that's the first
Can
court date.
we do this? Can we give her to the 20th? That way she has that week clear that the child is out to do what she needs to do. And then if you need to get a writ, you can get a writ. Well, you don't have to. I just have to be available to sign it.
It's already 8 months
Pardon?
without any payment. 8 months without any,
I'm asking for 4 days.
I know. As a landlord, I, sacrifice 8 months payment.
4 days.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
And
All right. So you read that over. Do you agree with, you understand what you're signing there?
I believe so.
Do you want to take some time? I mean, I can pass it briefly and let you look it over and read it carefully. You want me to do that for you?
I believe the attorney, I believe he explained to me the document satisfactory.
Okay.
That I have until the 17th now, right? The 20th
20th
now.
now.
Sorry.
yes,
Okay, to vacate the premises
Vacate or pay the amount by the.
or pay the amount by that time.
Correct.
If you pay the amount by that time, you can stay. If
Got
you
it.
don't pay the amount, you got to be out by that time.
Okay.
if I may, Your Honor, just take a second. The past due rent amount is 26,400. There's an additional 817.93, which is a water bill. So it's, as it stands, it's 27,217.93. I didn't add a filing fee or an attorney fee because the amount is such,
Got
it
it.
doesn't really make a lot of difference. And I did explain, and maybe I didn't, but there's a 3 business day right to
Right.
rescind, which I put as January 21st. You could write a letter to the court and say that you wanted them to reconsider or set this aside. You would have to have a good cause, something beyond a change of mind or change of heart, just something that the court could consider within that time period. And they would look at this again in our agreement today.
Okay.
Um,
I understand this then.
You understand that?
Yeah.
we're both Michigan grads. We sort of bonded in the hallway over,
University of Michigan?
yes.
Sorry to hear that.
I know.
I'm a Maryland grad, so we don't, that's the real U of M to me.
Go, just for you, Judge, go Terps.
There we go. Now we're talking.
But as long as you didn't say Ohio State, we're good.
No.
We can mutually dislike them,
That's it. Exactly.
but anyway,
Sure.
Okay, you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
But I don't know where to sign.
It's down at the bottom. There's a little box
Oh.
down there that say defendant.
well, it's defendant. You're
Oh,
representing yourself.
sorry.
And you don't have any other questions on this, correct?
No, Your
I will grant judgment. I will sign off on the consent judgment. And ma'am, I would just indicate to you that so that we're clear on that, you do have 3 business days to think about this. If you believe that there's some right you didn't assert, some misunderstanding, some confusion on your part, you have those 3 business days in which to file a motion before this court. That doesn't mean that I would grant it, but you have those 3 business days.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, folks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck to you and the little guy.
Thank you.
All right, take care of yourself. Okay. All right, what is the claim in this case?
Would cost Your Honor $1,514.35.
All right, and how are we gonna get that paid, folks?
I paid that today.
You paid it today?
Yes.
Okay, then what I will do, I'll indicate that in the file. I'll adjourn it out to the 23rd, 2026 at 2 p.m. If everything's paid in full, you don't need to appear down here. And they will dismiss the case, okay?
Okay. You said the
Alright.
23rd?
Yes.
Is that on Zoom again or is that?
No,
You said, huh?
that's an in-person. That's an in-person hearing, but listen to me. If you paid everything, you don't need to come down to the courthouse.
Okay, okay,
Okay?
okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Arbor Woods versus Karen Sandoval. Sandoval, they are not checked in. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. There is rent to retain of $91.05, cost of $186 for a total due of $277.05. We'd ask for a default possession only judgment with writ to issue after 10 days, and I suspect in light of the court's policy, there would be no writ without hearing in light of the balance.
That's correct. Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default for possession, redemption amount in the amount requested with a writ issue in 10 days, no writ without a hearing. Court calls the case of Arbor Woods versus Eric Stewart and Jane Wesley. Mr. Stewart's here. All right. What is the claim in this case?
With costs, Your Honor, it is $1,342.56.
All right.
That's for
Mr.
January,
Stewart?
right?
Yes.
Okay, yes, yes. I plan to pay that by next Wednesday.
The 21st?
Yes, Wednesday. Yep.
So you're going to pay the entire balance by that date?
That's the goal. Yes.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll adjourn this out to the 23rd, 2026 at 2 p.m. That's an in-person hearing. But if you have everything paid, I don't need you to come down here.
Okay, I normally
The
do.
case will likely be dismissed, okay?
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Stewart.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Philip Wypert on behalf of Mr. O'Neill Muirhead. Your Honor, today's the second hearing date. And last week you gave us a order to come in person.
Yes.
Would you like me to check the hallway to see if, we have not seen him. We did look.
You have not seen him.
We have not seen him.
Virgil, we are not here. And would you like to take a default?
I would like to take a default judgment, Your
All right.
Honor.
Who's going to get the testimony? You?
I have my client here or I can.
Okay. Either one. I just need you to need him sworn.
You want to say how much is the rent? You want
Raise your right hand. You telling me swear or affirm testimony you're about to give with the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
All
You
right.
filed a complaint in this matter? Yes. As of today, how much rent to retain possession is owed?
5,700,
And costs are,
181,
and you're asking for a judgment of
5881.
Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default for possession, redemption amount in the amount requested with the writ to issue in 10 days.
Your Honor, I have a judgment prepared with 12626 and advise the motion set aside by 12626
That is correct.
with the, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, folks. Have a good day.
And the court, will the court give us a copy or will the,
You may be able to get one up front.
okay, thank you very much, Your Honor.
Short staffed here, but okay. Thank you.
Sir.